Item 29, my lord, with my lord's kind permission. Item 29.
Yes, 29.
Item 29, service is complete. My friend is seeking time to file reply.
Please, Your Lordship, I appear for the second respondent in item.
All right, 4 weeks time.
Great.
This for some time to file a reply.
Yes, 28.
I am for the respondent number 1. Now, this is a very curious case, my lord. In fact, what happened is the Honorable High Court has set aside the degree of diverse, and now, my lords, the respondent number 2 is in the before the
Who is this? Who is representing this respondent two?
Yes, respondent number 2.
The culprit.
Yes, my lord.
You have destroyed the lives of 2 women. Now, where are your daughters and how old are they now?
No, they are settled in USA, my lord. As per our information, my lord. I am appealing for the petitioner, my lords. Both the respondent, both the daughters, they are already settled. They are married off and they are already settled. So now the respondent,
See, prove what documents we have about them.
they can file an affidavit to that effect also, my lord may direct them.
The respondent 2. The respondent 2 is directed to file an affidavit explaining 1I the current status of his daughters from the first marriage, namely whether they are married, namely what are their qualifications, whether are they married, and if so, where are they settled. 2, the details of all immovable and movable assets owned by him. 3, the details of the payments made by him, substantial and bulk payments made by him to the petitioner during the period of when we were staying together. Next, what is the source of livelihood and social security provided to respondent 1? The affidavit, next paragraph, main paragraph. The affidavit will be filed within 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Post the matter for review also do.
Your Lordship has directed me, granted me time to file the rejoinder, my lords. We have filed on 14th of February, my lords. It's beyond the time, my lords. So, my lord, that may be taken on record, my lords.
Yes. Next. You get it. Item 30, please. Item 30. Yes, Mr. Surya.
Respected Lordships, my pranams to you all. My name is Surya Prakash. I am the petitioner from Bangalore.
Your matter will take some time, then we take upon say non-miscellaneous data.
Yes, my lord. Kindly have it, my lord, somewhere in April. This is data sharing, my lords.
Somewhere we have March 23 and non-miscellaneous data.
Please, sir.
Next.
Okay, I stand. Can I?
You will get a date.
It is adjourned for another.
Date another date.
In item number 31, such have to file this plan.
Who is for the respondents?
Respondents, no one is apparent to the warrant.
Have they paid deposited the cost of 10,000?
Respondents were given.
No, are you aware whether have they paid the cost? All right. उसकी केस क्या लिखी है बात है? The instance will appeal is directed against the judgment dated 5th April 2023, passed by the High Court of Madhya Pradesh at Jabalpur, dismissing the second appeal filed by the appellants on the ground that the relief of declaration of title cannot be granted to them without setting aside the orders passed by revenue courts, which were never challenged by them. Next paragraph. When the matter came up for hearing on 12th August 2024, a notice was issued after taking notice of the following contention on behalf of the appeals. Para 3, you will read please. The parties were directed, next paragraph, the parties were directed to maintain status quo in the possession, creation of third party rights, and creation of third party rights. Next paragraph. On 18th October 2024, learned counsel for the respondents entered appearance whereupon the matter was listed on 22nd November 2024. On 22nd November 24, the State Council sought time to place on record Mukaltram and counter affidavit, for which 4 weeks time was granted. The case thereafter came up for hearing on 2nd January 25. No one, however, was present on behalf of the respondents despite service and earlier opportunities granted to them to file the counter affidavit. In the interest of justice, however, one more opportunity was granted to file the counter affidavit subject to payment of cost of rupees 10,000, with the Supreme Court advocates on record as refused. Next paragraph. No one is present on behalf of the respondent. Counsel for the appellant is not aware regarding compliance of order dated 2nd January 25. The fact remains that no counter affidavit has been filed. Next paragraph. We have heard learned counsel for the appellant. It seems to us that in light of the facts noticed by us while issuing notice by us in our order dated 12th August 2024, while issuing notice to the respondents, the matter requires reconsideration by the High Court. Next, consequently, the appeal is allowed in part. The improved judgment of the High Court is set aside. The regular second appeal the second appeal number of 1998 and other connected appeals restored to their original number and file. The High Court is requested to decide the appeal afresh, keeping in view the facts as briefly mentioned in para so and so of this order. Now reproduction of the para so and so of this order. Next paragraph. The respondents do not enter appearance before us. Shall however appear before the High Court, for which one notice will be issued to them. The interim order to maintain status quo in creation and creation of third party rights shall be maintained by the parties till the appeal is decided afresh by the High Court. Next one. The parties are directed to March and it is clarified that we have not expressed any opinion on Wednesday. We have sent the case back to
But this matter was called out last Monday, and the union has taken time. Lots it was unexpected line. Justice have rightly directed them to frame model bylaws. My only concern, my lords, is that in the interregnum, the society's registration is to expire in the first week of March. And there are certain statutory obligations. I have just, in a tabular form, I have just indicated what are the statutory obligations. You have to kindly have a look at this one pager. Yes, please, give a copy.
Should take care of the matter. Why these matters are listed on such a short date? कोई matter का 2 महीने की डेट में आती है. What is the great urgency in this matter? Cooperative societies matter, society registration, district level societies matter. Let them consider meanwhile. So if you want to withdraw, you can delete your name. That's all. Council for School Service states that since her husband who was the collector has since been transferred out, Homasi is no longer interested to continue as a party respondent in this proceeding.
Excuse me.
For school number 7, the name of school number 7 is accordingly deleted from the arrow of respondents. She will have no concern. She will have no concern whatsoever with the
I have one submission to make on that. Besides, I am instructed to say that besides having the keys of the society, the building, etc., and the premises, she is also the custodian for the cash book, ledger, bill book, purchase and expense vouchers, sales.
School number 7, however, is directed to hand over the entire record of the society, entire record and
Account books.
Accounts books, etc., of the society to the. Is there any office bearer now?
All the records
With the additional district magistrate.
That is respondent number 5. I'm so sorry.
She will give a certificate in writing to this effect that all the records, property, including accounts book, have been handed over to the AD.
Fixed deposit receipts also, FDRs also.
Now, meanwhile, you come do what Mr. Natraj did.
Yeah. We want to get out of this colonial mindset and we want to give to the elected board.
This is what we were expecting from the state.
Coming out with the model bylaws that it's in pipeline. Model bylaws or the amendment to the act.
There's three aspects which may require your lordship's attention.
See what is being better than small.
Can I just say this, that the steps which the state government is taken pursuant to your lordships is going to cure the larger evil. But in regard to the petitioner before your lordship, there are certain things which are to be done. But the IT returns have not been filed. The statutory audits have not been done for the last 2 years.
We will allow once the new elections are held, then whosoever is elected, we will allow.
And my registration of the society itself is lapsing on the 7th of March. So Roshif, at least the parties are there.
Meanwhile, the registration of the society shall not be cancelled on expiry of its validity bill.
Deeply. We may be permitted, my lords, to operate because we are dealing in cash now, and I can share this, my lords, the figures.
Whatever we were to permit, we have already permitted you.
Just one indulgence, my lords. I just wanted to point this out, that in the financial year 2021, the society had an earning of 87 lakhs. In 2021, it was 85 lakhs, 2022, 87 lakhs, again 2023, 24, it was 87 lakhs. So there are huge sums which are involved. I don't want, my lord, that
very good. Keep them in account. Keep them in account.
Your lordships have actually stopped me from operating the accounts.
Very right. We better if you don't operate.
Very well. Very good.
Next item 34.